Good morning. This is Melanie, and I just got this new hair. It is Bobbi Boss, Indiremi, Ocean Wave in a color number 4. I have no leave out, as you can see, but you can still see my natural hairline. If I pull the hair behind my ears, you see my natural hairline. The wave is absolutely gorgeous. The length, I used 3 lengths. I did an 18, a 16, and a 14, so it's naturally layered. I'm going to turn so you can see the hair from all angles. I hope the video works out because I'm making it myself with no help. There's the back. I hope you can see it. It's really gorgeous. The color is beautiful. There is absolutely no maintenance to this hair. Tie it in a ponytail at night and brush it out the next morning. Wash it once a week. No blow drying, no curling. Use absolutely no chemicals on it. When you wash it, just use mild shampoo and conditioner, oil-free conditioner. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes. Let hair air dry. This is my first time using this hair. It was sewn in by Ida in Anchorage, Alaska. I'm told she's the very best. Look at that beautiful part. Isn't that gorgeous? This hair is the perfect color for my skin. It feels absolutely fabulous. No tangling. A little bit of shedding. I mean, it's brand new. I would expect a few hairs to fall out. No big deal. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you this lovely, beautiful hair. And I wish you were here to touch it and feel it. I'm just so happy with it. Thank you.